Legal battle over healthcare rights, a landmark decision impacting transgender Americans. A nation divided over healthcare protections. In a shocking turn of events, a federal judge in Mississippi has blocked new anti-discrimination rules in healthcare for transgender Americans. Just days before these protections were set to take effect, the ruling has sent ripples through the nation, highlighting the ongoing struggle for transgender rights and the complexities of federal authority. What does this mean for the future of healthcare protections in the U.S., and how will it impact the transgender community? The evolution of healthcare protections. From Obama to Biden, a historical perspective. The journey towards comprehensive healthcare protections for transgender individuals has been tumultuous. During the Obama administration, significant strides were made to ensure that gender identity and sexual orientation were included under the umbrella of sex discrimination protections. These advancements were rolled back during the Trump administration, only to be reinstated by the Biden administration in a bid to restore and expand these critical protections. The significance of Section 1557. Section 1557 of the Affordable Care Act, ACA, is a crucial provision that prohibits discrimination based on race, color, national origin, sex, age, or disability in specified health programs or activities. The Biden administration aimed to include protections for LGBTQ+ individuals under this section, reinforcing that discrimination based on gender identity or sexual orientation is inherently a form of sex discrimination. The legal challenge and its implications. The Supreme Court's role in shaping policy. The recent ruling by U.S. District Judge Louis Guirola cited a landmark Supreme Court decision that weakened the power of federal agencies, significantly influencing the outcome of this case. The Chevron deference precedent, which required courts to defer to federal agencies' interpretations of ambiguous laws, was overturned, altering the judicial landscape and impacting how federal regulations are implemented and challenged. The case against the Biden administration. A coalition of Republican state attorneys general argued that the Department of Health and Human Services, HHS, overstepped its authority by applying the Supreme Court's 2020 Bostock v. Clayton County decision to Section 1557. This ruling stated that federal civil rights law that bars sex discrimination protects LGBTQ workers, but opponents argued it did not extend beyond Title VII to other laws prohibiting sex discrimination. The court's decision and its rationale. Judge Guirola's ruling. Judge Guirola's preliminary injunction effectively halts the enforcement of the new HHS rules nationwide. He asserted that HHS exceeded its statutory authority by conflating on the basis of sex with on the basis of gender identity, and quoted the Supreme Court's recent decision, emphasizing that Congress and the executive branch must act to revise the statute if they disagree with the court's interpretations. The impact on transgender healthcare. The ruling has profound implications for transgender individuals seeking healthcare. Without these protections, transgender patients may face increased discrimination from health providers and insurers, exacerbating existing barriers to accessing necessary medical care. This decision underscores the precarious nature of transgender rights in the current legal and political climate. The broader implications for civil rights. The role of federal agencies. The ruling raises critical questions about the role of federal agencies in shaping and enforcing civil rights protections. With the Chevron deference precedent overturned, the ability of agencies like HHS to interpret and implement laws is significantly diminished, potentially hindering their capacity to address evolving issues related to discrimination and equality. The future of LGBTQ+ protections. This case is one of many legal battles that will shape the future of LGBTQ+ protections in the U.S. The ongoing debates and legal challenges highlight the need for clear, unambiguous legislation that explicitly includes gender identity and sexual orientation as protected categories under anti-discrimination laws. Advocating for change and building resilience. The role of advocacy groups. Advocacy groups play a crucial role in fighting for the rights of transgender individuals and ensuring their voices are heard. Organizations must continue to challenge discriminatory practices, provide support to those affected by such rulings, and work towards comprehensive legal protections at both the state and federal levels. Building a supportive community. Community support is essential for transgender individuals facing increased discrimination. Building networks of allies, healthcare providers, and legal experts can help navigate the challenges posed by such rulings and ensure access to necessary resources and care. The path forward. The recent ruling blocking healthcare anti-discrimination protections for transgender Americans is a significant setback in the fight for equality. However, it also serves as a reminder of the importance of continued advocacy, legislative action, and community support. As we navigate this complex legal landscape, it is crucial to stay informed, engaged, and committed to ensuring that all individuals, regardless of gender identity or sexual orientation, have access to the care and protections they deserve. Thank you for reading. If you found this article informative, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates like this post, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Together we can make a difference and support the fight for equal rights and protections for all.